Hello and thank you for watching. Today what we're going to be looking at is a Cobra foam insert for Cedar Mill Firearms pistol case. You can see our logo right there and over on this case as well. Now this foam insert was custom made by Cobra Foam Inserts. As you can see, they did a beautiful job. Not only is it a custom foam insert for the bottom, but is also custom cut on the top to fit a 1911 Colt Government Edition with a compensator. This is a very nice gun, and it's one I've had in my collection for quite some time. Not only does it hold the pistol, but it's designed to hold a magazine in the pistol and two additional magazines, one being a standard and the other being an extended magazine. Now, as you can see here, we can put the magazine in there, and it fits perfect inside that foam there. Top of that, the foam has a beautiful blue color with a nice charcoal outline. This was requested and they delivered on that. They did an awesome job here, and I'm very impressed with the way this turned out. I'm very happy with their product, and we recommend using Cobra foam inserts if you're considering getting a custom foam insert for our case. They have it on file and it can write you up a design.